Just 5 minutes and 4 ingredients are all it takes to turn plain cottage cheese into a creamy, melted Mexican-style cheese dip. It's a delicious, protein-packed snack that comes together in no time and tastes truly amazing. On a large plate, crumble 250 grams of your favorite cottage cheese, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It changes the texture of the cheese, making it more elastic and easier to melt. Add half a teaspoon of salt for flavor. Finally, mix in 1 egg yolk. The yolk helps bind everything together and prevents the cheese from separating while heating. It also makes the mixture smooth and stretchy. Now prepare a water bath. Pour warm water into a medium pot and place a smaller pot inside, making sure the water reaches about 2/3 of its height. Transfer the cheese mixture into the smaller pot and heat gently over low heat, making sure it doesn't boil. Stir regularly. The cheese should melt slowly and evenly. After about 5 minutes, you'll reach the perfect consistency. A silky, stretchy, melted cheese is ready. Serve it with fresh bread. It's the best and tastiest homemade melted cheese. Only 5 minutes. You've got to try it.